I didn't do it. Nadia did it. I know, Nadia did it. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh,
I can't even tell you have a bag.
I know, covered it. Yeah, for some reason I can't.
Does he have his ID clearance still on?
It became one.
Oh, I can take this one. That can be yours to keep.
Okay.
Why you pull it out? And then you still have it in your hand.
See your arm, Mom. Even though I know it's you, double check. Oh, can you do it the other way? No, maybe hold it
I didn't know if it changed it.
2, 8, 6, 6, 8. Okay.
You kicked it off. You have an attitude today. You're supposed to be happy right now.
He doesn't want to go home.
He's like, I didn't have to do all of this before. I can't give up this booty. I'm sorry. It's your booty. I'm gonna get it there. It's still not there. It's not like it's too little. I just can't put it on. Okay. There you go.
He looks like a doll.
He looks like a fat dog. He was going to pick him up. Hold on. Don't get it. There you go. Don't get me.
Oh my gosh, you look so long. What does it say?
Academic. Okay, you're gonna wave your hand around. You're not gonna bend your arm for me at all. There we go. Hold on. 1 second. Wait. We're gonna get there. You have to find your phone. Okay, I found it. Must you fight the whole time? Do you really have to fight the whole time? There we go. Aww. Yeah.
This is multivitamin forming things. Like he's gonna get multivitamins twice a day, in the morning and at night. And then you can. It doesn't taste good, so just mix it with the formula.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait. Don't fight me. Don't fight me. Hold on. Don't fight me. Where did your arm go? You lost your arm. It's okay. I don't think we need to jab. We're good with the belly. Why are you looking at me like that? Am I making you mad right now? I am. You're looking at me like I'm crazy. That's okay. Alright. No, it's a blanket. Okay. There, I'm just cover you with the blanket, I guess. There. You good? You're done?
Happy.
It took forever. It took forever, Kyle. You made this a difficult process, boy. You're lucky you cute. So what? You said you were cute. I'm turning red. Look at him turning red. Why are you turning so red? It's okay. Calm down.